Hello guys, today our topic is top universities of Pakistan and our episode is Karachi Institute of Economics and Technology. Karachi Institute of Economics and Technology time and its needs have rapidly altered over the past few decades. Today, the success and well-being of nations and countries have completely come to rest on science, technology, IT, and internship. Karachi Institution of Economics and Technology aims at achieving excellence in higher education and enabling its graduates not only secure good jobs but also make rapid access to strategic portfolios in reputable organizations. As such, the Institute strongly emphasizes that its faculty and students keep abreast of the contemporary demands of international standards of academics. The ultimate goal of faculty comprising highly qualified professionals at Karachi Institution of Economics and Technology is to ensure the provision of quality education that will enable the students for significant contributions both towards the development of their professional careers as well as the progress of their country. Our modern facilities, equipments, and training aids facilitate students to achieve excellence in academics and in their professional objectives to be amongst the leading universities of the world, where an excellent environment for education, research, and innovation exists to produce quality leaders and entrepreneurs. Karachi Institution of Education of Economics and Technology is committed in providing a quality learning and research environment in order to inculcate fundamental and specialized knowledge and skill for producing competent professionals with focus on technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the icon button also so that you can watch my latest and update videos. We are proud of our values and long-term commitment to academic excellence. We stand for spearheading the pursuit of academic excellence by our faculty and students. Commitment to students. We hold on to a rock hard commitment to our students for enabling them to make men and women of values and professionals of unmatched expertise serve to community. We see the benefit of community as the ultimate good stemming from an intellectual endeavor. Academic freedom ultimate we allow unlimited freedom of expression to faculty and students for meaningful discussion and purposeful exchange of ideas. Accountability. We promote a strongest possible sense of civic and professional accountability as crucial values for making the world an ever better place to live in. Integrity. We believe that any progressive move attains meaning and significance only if the individuals involved are imbued with a strong sense of personal and professional integrity, student-centered learning. We give maximum opportunity to the fresh minds of our nation to learn by questioning, debating, and leading rather than by passive listening and robotic obedience. Now our topic is going to end and we will meet next episode of the series. Till that time, please take care of your good health. Goodbye.